Hi everybody, it's Kirk and Tori from the KirkToriStory, and we are here on the Carnival Radiance and we're approaching our room. It's 8233. So when you do check in, you have a little envelope that's located right above here, and we use our cruise card to enter our room. So first impressions is that the room is actually really quite bright and it's welcoming. So over here we have a built-in desk and it's got a ton of storage, as you can see. The drawers are really quite deep as well. I had been through them. And you have the telephone where you can call your friends. You have the USB. You have the plugs here, so it's 120 volts, and you also have a phone charger. And inside of these drawers here, you have a hairdryer, and then you have lots of storage for your stuff. There's a little bench here, so I'm going to be putting my computer here. Over on this side, we have a little, I would imagine it's a pull-out couch. It looks like it'll pull out into a twin bed style, and we have a little extra table here. Lots of lighting in this room, queen size bed, and again, more storage here. We'll be walking out into our balcony. The balcony is pretty spacious. It is covered. You can see here, we have room for 2 basic chairs and a table. Great view. Okay, and we'll be going back into the room. Coming back into the room. The water bottles are not included, so they're $4.25 each. In here we have lots of closet space, storage on the top. We have an actual little refrigerator here. Lots of storage here. And in this storage, we have the safe, and the life vests are down on the bottom. And now we will go check out the bathroom. Very spacious washroom in comparison to other cruise lines. Lots of storage on either side for your toiletries. Big mirror that goes all the way across. Very decent sized shower. Very roomy. And in here we do have shampoo and shower gel, and then you get a special just soap and underground storage here. And that's it. Just one last glance for you. And again, we're on the Carnival Radiance, room 8233. Thanks for watching.